Okay guys, so today I am working on my Yamaha R6 2019. Today I am installing this alarm, which is only like 20 bucks online. However, I'm only going to be installing the alarm. I'm not going to do the engine start. I'm not going to do the lights, nothing like that. Just the sound. The sound is super loud. My ears are ringing because I accidentally set it off. This is my beautiful Stella. I'm working on my Mazda right now too. You gotta say
hi. Say hi to the camera. You gotta say hi, everybody.
I had to tie her to the post because she dragged the freaking chair like almost off the porch.
Smoking on salad, Caesar.
So my dog dragged that whole chair all the way over there, and guess what? She scratched my car with the chair, and I just can't believe it.
I need 110%. I don't want no more.
Okay guys, so all you're gonna need is your alarm, your key, scissors unless you have some really long nails, and an Allen wrench. And just in case you guys didn't know this, I spent like 20 minutes looking for an Allen wrench inside my house. Turns out if you just unlock the back of your bike there are 2 Allen wrenches right here, just snugged away. Okay, so I already did this for you guys, but all you guys are gonna need is your key. You're gonna unlock the trunk, you know, just normally take it off. And if you have your Allen wrench right here, you're just gonna take it. You're gonna lift these seat covers, and there is 2 little bolts that will be right in there. They look just like this. You just pull them out with this Allen wrench. Easy, easy peasy. You just bend it back like that, you unlock it, you take them out, and now the seat comes off. Super, super easy. By the way, I'm gonna link this exact alarm so that you guys can do the exact same thing I'm doing. There are a ton of wires, and it's super confusing, it's super obnoxious. I'm gonna simplify it for you guys. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. This is the motion detector. This is the one that tells this thing to start screaming. These are all the wires, which I will simplify for you right now. And I believe this is the antenna, and this thingy, it's a red and black wire, but I don't know what it's for. I actually thought this was the power cable for a minute. The red and black wire that are right here in this big mess, these are the only 2 you're gonna need. That's it. So once you guys open up your seat cover, you're gonna see that you have a minus and a plus. Negative, positive, really easy. Positive is red. That's gonna connect with the red wire, like that. The black wire is gonna go on the other side, the negative, just like that. A lot of people like to buy like, I'll show you a picture of it. Basically, it's just like a little tab of metal. You cut the wire, you saw it, or you just, first thing you gotta do, I forgot, you guys need a screwdriver. I'm sorry if you guys started this without the screwdriver. So now all you guys are gonna do is loosen these screws with the screwdriver. Oh, this one I unscrewed way too much. Okay, so don't unscrew it to the point where it comes out. Just unscrew it to the point where it kind of lifts up a little bit like that. So this is how the black wire looks right out of the box. This is how it should look, and how you do that is with scissors. Very easy. All you do is put your scissors like this, and then you just scrape it off to the right, this direction, until it looks like this. Okay, so it's super easy, so don't worry about cutting it off too far because you guys got a ton of wire. So now you guys got to do the exact same thing to the red wire. Okay, so I want you guys to get the red and the black wire. Let's just focus on the red. Just get the red. Okay, so all you guys are gonna do is get the red wire. I'm gonna bring it in from kind of make it a little bit flat. I'm gonna bring it in right here. Put it right underneath this metal plate and just screw it right down. So I'm not really worried about making it look pretty, just getting the job done, because if anything does go wrong with these wires right here, I can simply cut some more and start over. It's really not a big deal at all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up. Okay, so now that we got the red wire plugged in, just like that, now we're just gonna do the black wire. Same exact thing. Easy peasy. Oh, please don't go off. Wow, look at that, guys. Super easy. Now this all looks terrible, but I promise it's super, super easy to organize. Okay, so all the colorful wires, what am I saying? All the colorful wires I am deciding to put just right there. This black motion detector is gonna go right underneath, right here, underneath this seat thingy. Honestly, guys, I am not a professional. I don't know the names of everything, but I know how to do it. So I'm not gonna use the adhesive either, just because I wanna be able to move it around. Wow, look at that. Looks like it came that way. Okay, let's put the seat back on. Okay, I'm just gonna do this for now and pretend that it's all, you know, all the bolts are back in. I'm going to lock it. There, that's the lock. My finger. Oh. That thing, I can hear it going down my block. And earlier when I installed this, my customers, my neighbors were looking this way. It is super loud. Okay, so I am going out for a ride today. So I am going to bless you guys with a cold start. Oh, there's the alarm. Oh shit. Oh no.